অলরাইট আজ আপনাদের আর একটি অভিনব লেকের সৌন্দর্য নিয়ে আসলাম দিস ইজ আ বিউটিফুল লেক you can already see there's people are kayaking nobody here right now because it's the wrong time of the day so look someone just pulled in he actually went to his car this is the perfect place for a kayaking area what a beautiful lake okay look at the crystal water crystal clear water you cannot miss this okay the location is gonna be in the descriptions it's a surprise and it's very suspense area there's actually huge jungle went through and there's a walking trail in there as well so take a look at this slowly and surely I'm trying to get a drone shot on this one however the problem would be it's rain it's looks like it's about to have a rain however I'll try my best to get a drone shot stick around until end of the video so if I have it I'll put that in there but let's walk and dive into this area to see what we can see all right I'm gonna have a little briefly description on this one so this is where trail went in for walking wow look at this walking path whoa okay so at this oh my god গাছগুলো যে বড় বড় না I'm like this is scary though all right I don't know how far it went but let's walk huge jungle এই জায়গায় পুরা কিচ্ছু you can't even see anything inside it hope there's no the bag or bhaluk এখানে থাকবে কিনা I don't think so but who knows look at this I feel like I'm in Virginia right now the last time I went to Virginia this is type of creepy lake were there way too many of them and look whoa no way I do see a paharer moto huge একটা I've got an umbrella with me because this anytime can rain look at this whoa 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 oh Allah what a আমি তো এখানে দেখে আমি মুগ্ধ হয়ে যেতেছি গা এখানে মনে হচ্ছে আল্লাহ সুন্দর I'm not overreacting be honest with you guys I'm really excited about how beautiful it is oh man I'm like in the জঙ্গলের মুভির ভিতরে আছি দেখছেন ট্রেল চলে গেছে এখানে look at this hope there's no alligator wow ওই যে ওখানে পাথরটা হলো ওখানে wow what a আমি এখানে ফটোশুট নিল সেরকম আসতো look at this গাছের পাতাগুলো না it's a weird looking পাতা দেখা চিরি পাতা wow এবার দেখে এটা কোথায় গেছে wow কিরে ভাই this doesn't look like Florida that looks like some other state oh man if you guys like walking or hiking there's no hiking but walking you should visit this area it's amazing look wow কত বড় লেকটা it's naturally built wow আমি টাইমা তো oh man look at this view আমি ওই জায়গায় যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করবো that's the place looks like a mountain rocky mountain টাইপের মতো এখানে মানুষ আসে দেখ এখানে গাছপালা লুয়ে রয়েছে বাহ কিরে ভাই এ কি অবস্থা I see the open field on the other side but look on this side woo hello there's nobody around here right now except Lost in Lake look at this what a shot I should take pictures of this what a view I don't know if you guys agree with me or not that view is priceless oh. The only thing I'm afraid of alligators nothing else I mean it's not dark yet so even though I'm alone by myself I'm okay with this oh wow I gotta have a drone shot on this one because it's if I don't do it I'll miss out. Look at this view. What a lake. এত সুন্দর লেক কেমনে হয় আমি তো অবাক হয়ে যাচ্ছি I can't explain myself. Oh man. রাস্তার পাশ হাইটে গেছে লেকের জন্য রে wow. Look at this. I can't explain. এই গাছগুলা কিভাবে গেছে এভাবে সুন্দর ডেকোরেশন look at the landscaping huh there's no place for fishing or anything there's no warning sign either but it's just beautiful wow look at this wow oh your mountain the bottom not that was the mountain right here this is it I'll see if I can get to that end of it but you have to wait stick with me in there but let me see it looks like the road went other side huh ওখানে কি শেষ হয়ে গেছে wow there's nobody not behind me not in front of me that's scary okay I'm gonna take a lake দেখা যাইতেছে and I can't even see any lake but look at the landscape look at those trees wow it's like a lake hunter area okay no you know what I don't think I'm gonna go that far look at that what is this look at the purple thing I don't know if you can eat this like nuntir moto ase na nunti je khaitam amra choto bela look at this I don't want to touch this but it's all right that's all for now in this video all right bhalo thaken সুস্থ থাকেন I'll come back with another lake next time all right that's all for now Allah Hafiz